In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best and must-have iPad accessories of 2020. I have them all right here, and these are the most important accessories you need to carry if you're making your iPad as your main daily carry. The first most trivial things that it's in this list are the Apple items. One is the Apple keyboard, and I highly recommend it if you are using your tablet in school. Yes, you could have this external keyboards that is like this and use it, and this is nice, but if you wanted something that give your iPad a little protection as well, highly recommend the Apple keyboard. When you buy it originally, it comes in a case like this, and as you open it, it's called the Smart Keyboard Folio. Inside of it, we have the keyboard itself, and when you take it out, it becomes something like this. Next item on the list is the Apple Pencil. You need to have the Apple Pen.
Per pineapple, Apple Pen.
And if you don't have this, you are missing out. When you get the Apple Pencil, it comes in a case like this. It's an Apple product, so it looks nice right off the bat. And once you take it out, it's just like that, designed by Apple. Now, if you want portable drive and you want storage and you don't really think the storage on your iPad is sufficient enough, I highly recommend the Samsung T7 portable storage. This is a new storage unit that was recently released by Samsung, and in order to access your information, you have to use your fingerprint to unlock the device. And what's better than this, because now my device and my document right here are protected. So if I lose this by any chance, not that I ever lost them, but if for some reason I lose this, I know nobody can access my information.
Yeah.
If you don't like the Apple Folio and you want to have a stand, I highly recommend Compass Pro. This is, again, you can find it on Amazon. I leave links to all of these equipment down in the description. But this thing is their second generation. And once you open it, it's like this. Now you could easily sit your iPad on top of it, whatever orientation you like, and use your iPad without any problem. Before, I used this a lot when I had my tablet and this keyboard. This is it, simple as that. Make life so much easier. This is by Belkin. I saw this first on a YouTube channel. They were talking about it, and I thought this is an interesting little device. This is just a stand, fingerprint magnet, but this is basically you put it on your desk, and whenever you're done writing with your Apple Pencil, you put it inside of here. Because now you might say, why would you do this? This is really important, and I learned that the hard way. If you don't want to scratch your tablet, get yourself one of these. This is the Apple Pencil tip, and every month change the tip of your Apple Pencil. If you don't, over time this gets worn out, and as you're writing, if you write on the wrong angle, and this happens way too often that you'll be surprised, you can scratch your tablet permanently. So get one of these. It comes up, it has 4 tips inside of it, and every month just open one of them just like that, take the tip out, switch this one, and the old one throw away. This is really important. Now, if you want to prolong the use of these instead of just throwing them around, because as you drop it, this will damage your Apple Pencil. And I know that I just damaged my Apple Pencil, but have one of these, put it inside. Doesn't look half bad. It actually looks really nice. Now, if you don't want to use this and you want something white, we have this one by Pencil Stand. Don't know about them, but this is a white version, depending on your desk setup. They have it in black as well. Has a grip inside of it. It's a little cheap if you ask me, but it's nice. It's not as robust as the Belkin one. All of this on the bottom of them they have this film that once you take it out and you place it on a surface, is not gonna move, so it will remain steady. One thing that I really like is whenever I go to school, I do presentation. And whenever I do presentation, I use PowerPoint or I use Google Slides. And this Logi Advancer is just the best advancer on the market. It's a little hefty on the price, but there's one thing I like about it. First of all, it charges with a USB Type-C. Easy charge. You could charge it with your iPad charger. It's Bluetooth. You don't have to connect it to your tablet. And third of all, if you're not gonna present from your tablet and you're gonna use the computer in your school or at your work, you simply can take this out if they have Windows, stick it in there.
That's what she said.
And then you're ready to go, or you could set it up with Bluetooth. And the battery lasts forever. And it comes with this really nice case that I love. I thought it was just awesome. Now, for your pencils on the go, you have two options. First of all, actually three options. You could stick it on top of your Apple iPad Pro. I don't recommend it because you could knock it out. This is a pencil holder I got from Hardcraft. It's a really nice one. It's a little expensive. It's about like, I don't know, I think 80 euros, 70 euros. I'm gonna link it down below. But if you want something on the cheaper side, this is what I recommend. Now, the cool thing about this, I have no idea what the name of the company for this one is. Again, you should see the name and the price right now. But the cool thing about this is that you could fit your Apple Pencil nice and tight right here. You could fit an extra pin right here. And if you open this, you have room to place a cable to charge your iPad. Not a big one, a small cable. And on top of that, after you take your pencil out, you're done writing, you could just stick it right here and just continue do what you gotta do. Whenever you're done, you put it back. So this is good for on the go, just kind of organization, and then having an extra tip in case this one gets destroyed. Next, I have these. These, they come in set of 4 and 5. It's basically this leather that you put inside of your hand, and then you could just clean the smudges off your tablet. Now, if you want to take it to the next step, highly recommend this natural cleaner by Eco. Just one spray, not bad. I mean, it doesn't do a great job, I'll tell you that. It's not like a microfiber cleaner, but it's not bad on the go, so it does the job. Next, still on the Apple Pencil side,
Per pineapple, apple pen.
we have Duotone Ultra Thin Apple Pencil Sleeve. This is just a novelty item. I thought it was really cool. You take your Apple Pencil, you stick it in there.
That's what she said.
This is your Apple Pencil. It gives it a little better grip, and the texture is a little nicer, but yeah. You know, your Apple iPad doesn't have a lot of ports, and this is where HyperDrive comes in. This is the best multi-adapter for your tablet, and I love this product. I have been using so many of this, and this is just a beast. This little thing has HDMI. It has Thunderbolt 3 cable input, so you could use it as Thunderbolt 3. It's charged. You have micro SD card, SD card, a headphone jack, and a USB 3.0. Perfectly fits your iPad. Look at that. You get all of those ports, and you get this. And it looks just perfect. It fits it perfectly. And it has a grip to it. Now, if that grip is not right for you, you could take that one out. They have screw dryers right here. They have different tips that you swap this top portion with this one. Not gonna swap it for the sake of time. But after you do that, now, if you have a weird case, you could use it like this. This is a cool little device. I love the HyperDrive. Now, if you don't want to spend all of those money on that external drive and you want a little itty bitty tiny USB drive that does the job, doesn't cost like $200, you can opt in for SanDisk. Now, this is SanDisk dual drive USB type C. I always have this one also in my bag because I go to school. And the good thing about this one is this is USB type C, 256 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte for like $30. And again, I'm not sure about the price. I'm gonna link it down below. It's USB C, and if you go to school, if you go to work and they don't have USB type C, regular USB 3.0. This is a 256 gigabyte model. This, I think, it's worth every single.
Do you feel the same way I